In the near lane, Larry Fleming, 69 Charger 500, 440 automatic. In the far lane, Valerie Myers, 68 Shelby, 428 CJ 4-speed. Valerie's proven herself to be a fierce competitor, getting off the line quick and stirring that 4-speed flawlessly run after run. Larry's done a remarkable job of driving too, and his Charger's performing well. This should be a real good race. And once again, Valerie gets out of the gate first. Meyer wins 1391, 97.61 to 1411, 97.82. In the near lane, Chet Varner, 69 Mustang, 428 SCJ 4-speed. In the far lane, Joe Schenfeld, 68 GTX 440 4-speed. Varner wins 1386, 101.12 to 1524, 94.14 miles per hour. A quarter mile is roughly 2 city blocks long, 1,320 feet from starting line to finish line. To show how quickly an average muscle car covers that distance, let's view a race entirely from the finish line perspective. Ray Brown, 65 Satellite 383 automatic, is in the near lane. David Mattingly's Boss 429 is in the far lane. Brown reaches the finish line first in 13.71 seconds at 101.58. Mattingly turns 1492 at 80.21. In the near lane, Mason Dixon, 70 Challenger 446 pack. In the far lane, Valerie Myers, 68 Shelby 428 CJ 4-speed. How important are driver reaction times in drag racing? Here's a perfect example in this race. And Valerie gets a nice hole shot on Mason. Valerie wins 1402, 97.19 to a quicker but losing 1395, 100.89. Though slower by 7/100ths of a second, Valerie's quicker launch from the starting line wins the race. In the near lane, Michael Brown, 71 Roadrunner 6-pack automatic. In the far lane, Jeff Lee's 70 Roadrunner 383 automatic. And Brown red lights. Lee gets the automatic win, though Brown gets there first at 1382, 100.67 to 1426, 97.19.